record the meeting. Okay, so just if you guys didn't know, I am recording the meeting. So let's annotate text A, B, C, D, E, G, H. Okay, so who is first? Where's the drawing? Okay, right there. So who's first? Ishwar, what's your question?
What do you have to do in this thing?
So you have to so what you have to do is you have to capture pieces. So let me just do the first one. See, so it says capturing plus material. So what that means is you have to capture pieces and then get material.
Okay, so in this thing, is it like
I can't hear you. What happened? Ishwar, I can't hear you. Okay, Ishwar, what's your question? I couldn't hear you.
So what do you have to do? Like, do you get 2 moves, or how many moves do you have to do it in?
Oh, you have to do it in 2 moves. No, you have to do it in 1 move. So basically, you have to be attacking. You have to be attacking and getting material, which basically means capturing, which means that killing coins. That's basically
You
what
just kill coins. It doesn't matter if it kills you back?
No. Wait, am I sure we did 20? Wait, I think we didn't do 20. Guys, we're gonna go to page 20 if this is kind of confusing. Yeah, we didn't do page 20. So I'm just gonna clear all the drawings. So we are going to read about elimination of the defense. So let's see who's first. So Adrit, you can read this one right here.
Okay, and also below, can I just when we're down to the practice, can I just explain how that works?
Yeah, sure.
So over on the first question. Okay, so up. So basically on the first one, look at this bishop down there. It's white's turn. If the knight is defending the bishop. If the bishop captures the knight, the bishop will be undefended, and the rook is attacking it so it can capture it.
Yeah. That's basically
you just removed the defender of the bishop, and then you took it.
Yeah. So what that means is, see, so this knight is protecting this bishop. So if you want this bishop, then you have so this bishop is really strong because it's controlling lots of places of the lots of squares of the game. So you want to take it out of the game. But the knight is defending the bishop. So you want to kill this knight by putting this bishop, killing the knight with the bishop. And then nothing's protecting the bishop. So yeah, you can just kill the bishop.
Unless if you didn't want the bishop to go, you check it. You capture the knight. The black king moves up to defend it, but you still want a knight for.
Yeah.
No, actually, you want a knight and a pawn because that pawn was there.
Yeah. So, yeah, you can read the thing.
Okay.
The
white knight is attacking the black bishop on d5. The function of the black knight is to protect the bishop. If white can eliminate the black knight, he can win a piece. Do I read in the next one?
No,
Okay.
unfortunately. So, Aryan, you can. Yeah, you can read
Okay.
the second one.
With the bishop on g5, white can capture black knight. Bg5 times f6. With the capture, the knight disappears and its defensive function is lost. White wins a piece by eliminating the defense. White captures the defender and wins material, capturing plus material.
Yeah. So, you, Aryan, you said BG5 times F6, but what this X is see. So if this, it's basically saying that this bishop is on G5, and we are killing the coin on F6, which is the what's called, yeah, the knight. So yeah, the X means capturing or killing.
Okay.
So that's basically killing this knight and then killing the, what's it called? Yeah, the pawn kills it back, and then the knight kills the bishop. So we get material. And we also captured a coin. But that was worth nothing because they got the same points.
Okay.
Neil. Okay, so Neil, you can read the third one.
Okay, and by the way, happy birthday, Ritvik.
Thanks.
So the third one, in this diagram, white eliminates the defender by a sacrifice. First, white gives 2 points with 1. RB1 times B6, A7 times B6. But after 2, RE2 times E3, he has gained 1 point, capturing plus material.
Okay, so Neil, you were saying times, so
I don't really get what that is.
the X, so X means, let's get a good example. Well, I don't know. So X means killing. So it says RB1. So that means the rook is on B1. So the rook on B1, which is this place, and then, I mean, what am I saying? The rook on B1. So that's this rook, because this is A, and then this is B, and then this is the first row. So it's saying the rook on B1 is going to kill the bishop on the, no. It's going to kill the coin on B6, which is this bishop.
Bishop B6.
Yeah, so that's what the X means. The X means capturing or killing. You can call it whatever.
But then the rook is gonna get died, but that's a sacrifice, right?
Yeah, and then it sacrifices that for this knight.
Yeah. Because if the rook try to capture the knight, the bishop would easily kill him.
So, next row.
Okay.
It's down here. Okay, so who's after? Okay, Ishwar, you can read this one right here.
Okay, black can chase the white knight away with his e pawn. 1 e5 minus 2 e4. If the white knight gives way, then black takes bishop on g5. This is eliminating the defense by chasing away the defender in order to win material. If the defender refuses to move away, in this case the knight will be lost, chasing away plus material.
So basically what it's saying is if you move the pawn up, then it's going to be attacking the knight, and then since this knight is protecting the bishop, if this knight doesn't move, then we can just kill the knight, and then we can kill the bishop. So we're getting lots of points. But if the knight moves, then we can just get a free bishop. If the bishop moves, then we can just get a free knight and a free pawn if he lets us. So yeah, that's what it's doing. So who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Okay, so thanks, whoever happy birthday Ritvik is. But it's your turn for this next one.
Okay. Should
Okay.
I do the rook is on g6 protects the bishop on e6, which we can chase away this defender with the bishop on d1. The choice is bishop d1 minus, what does that minus symbol mean?
So that means 2. So it's gonna go 2.
Okay. Bishop d1 to c2 or bishop d1 to h5. Only the last move is correct because after bishop d1 to c2, I can play one rook to g6 to g2, eliminating the defense by chasing away.
Yep. So basically what it's saying is bishop d1, which is this one, to c2, which is c2. It's right here. So it's attacking this rook, which is protecting this bishop. So if the rook goes away, then we can just capture this bishop with our rook, with our other rook, with our rook. Sorry. So if the bishop goes away, which then we can just get this rook. But the best way to do it, like handle this situation for black, is move this bishop right here. For black, that's the best move that they could do. Move it right here, then they only get 3 points, and then the rook can move away. That's the best move. Yep. Okay, so Neil, what's your question?
So wait. Did you say that? What was the order you said for black to move?
So the best way that black could block the situation is, let me just try. So the bishop could move right here, because if this bishop is attacking this rook, then it could just kill the rook. If this bishop moved, but if the rook moved, then we could just kill the bishop. But the best way to handle this is you can just move this bishop right here, so it could block this attacking thing, and then you could just kill the bishop. But then our rook is still can like move away.
Yeah, but what if the bishop moves to? Oh wait, hold on. H5. What if the bishop moves to H5?
Wait.
Dude, the bishop, if the bishop goes to H5, it could kill the rook.
Yeah, that's another way it can attack the rook. But
I know, but how are you gonna defend that?
how are you going to defend it? Well, how you're going to do that is it's still going to do the same thing. It's still going to attack.
Wait, what do you mean?
It's still going to attack. So how do you defend that? So
Yeah.
you can't defend. For black, they can't defend that. They can just, if they can move here.
So the only option for the only option to move the rook, they have to move it away.
Yeah, or they can just put the bishop here so it could protect the rook and nothing.
I know, but I was just asking for H5. What if they?
Yeah.
What if
And they can also move the bishop right there. Those
Okay.
would be the best moves. Or they could literally just move the rook all the way over here.
Or
Or-
or
Yeah.
they could like move the bishop to g4.
Yeah, but the easier thing is to move the rook to like anywhere, like here, anywhere.
Yeah, so you don't want to get your
Yeah,
bishop killed.
yeah,
'Cause you would only have the rook, and that's very bad.
so,
Okay.
Okay, so what's your question, Krish? I believe your name is.
It's not Krish. Okay,
Oh.
well, in this case, you can save the rook or you can save the bishop.
Mhm. Yeah,
You
I know.
can't do anything else.
Yeah,
Whatever you do, one has to die.
okay, yeah. So,
Or what you can do is there is a pawn on f4. You can move that one time up, and he seems really dumb and does not kill it. You can kill the rook or this.
so yeah.
So whatever happens, one's dying.
Yeah. So, who is next? Who's next? Orion? No. Who just went? The person that just went was Neil, right? Yeah, it was Neil. No, it was Ishwar. Yeah. So Rishi, you can read the third one. Then we'll be done with the full page. Okay. Yeah.
The last one?
Yeah, the last one.
Okay. So, in your own games, you can eliminate the defender as well. You search for pieces which are attacked and for their defenders. Here the bishop on a5 is attacked. He is protected by the queen. With number 1, g2 to g4, white can lure the queen away. She must give up the defense. Luring away plus material.
So what this is doing is so guys, what this one dot means is the first move. What they can do first is they can do that, and then yeah, that. So yeah, you don't really need to say one, but yeah. So I wonder what time it is. Well, whatever. Just gonna clear all the drawings. Else. Okay, so elimination of defense. You can draw. Okay. So Rishi just went. So Sporty, you can do this first one. The first one. I'll put the ABCs right now. Okay, yeah, now you can do it.
You could just kill the bishop with rook to D.
So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take two moves. So you can move this bishop to kill this knight, and then you can get this pawn to kill the bishop, and then you can get this rook to kill the the bishop for free. So you have to do this in a couple of moves. So it's elimination of defense. So what that means is you are going to sacrifice a coin so you can get a free other coin, like a free coin, a different free coin.
You sacrifice a coin to get a free coin?
Yeah.
Oh, I get the method now.
Okay. So yeah, since I did this one, you can do the other one. Okay. So Neil, what is your question?
So the time is actually 2:36.
Okay, 2:36. So we have a lot of time. We have 20 minutes, and we can do this. So yeah,
All right. After 20 minutes is game time, right?
yeah. Okay. So who's okay? Sreejan, you can do this one right here.
Okay. You'd have to I think rook to e8. Rook to
to
e8.
okay. So this no, it's so rook to e8. That well, it's black's turn.
Oh, it's
Right here.
black's turn.
Yeah.
Oh, and so it would be what is it? Rook to e2. Rook to e2.
Rook to e2. I don't. So actually, I think it would actually. Wait, there's actually two moves in the game. So Sreejan, why don't you tell those two moves? Because you only told one. So which one's
I think the
next?
first one is bishop to c4.
Bishop to c4.
Yeah, so you take the bishop, and then the pawn takes the knight, and then
Yeah.
the black rook takes the white rook.
Yeah. So you want to kill this bishop with your knight. Then
Yeah.
this pawn will kill your knight, and then you can just get this other rook for free. And it would also be check, so that's a definite good move. So select. Okay. So Vishu, what is your question?
Okay. I would say.
No, like what's your question?
Oh, okay. I didn't have a question.
Okay. I'll just lower your hand.
Yeah.
And so why is Vishu up first? Well, whatever. Okay. So okay, Rishi, what's your question?
I don't have a question. I want to do this one though.
It's actually Krish's turn.
Okay, sure then.
Yeah.
Okay, when can I go then?
You'll go on the next round, maybe.
So the next one?
No, like the next round. So
Okay.
there's Vishu after Krish, and then yeah, there's gonna be a couple of people. Then you can go on the second round.
Sure.
Yeah.
But I would move bishop to bishop to g6. So
G6.
yeah, so when the bishop hits the knight, then the king gets the bishop out. Then knight can go to e5 and take the bishop out.
Yeah.
And then it'll be a check again.
Yeah. So it's basically like this. There's random dots, but don't worry about it. So Krish, I'm just going to rename you because.
Okay.
So, Krish. Okay. So where are you? Okay. So Vishu, now you are it.
Okay.
It's your turn. Just wait. Clear all drawings. Mouse. No. Clear all drawings. Mouse. Then we can just do that. Then we can get our text box. Put it right there. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, yeah. Now you can do it.
Okay. So what I would do is I would move the rook on a2 and kill the rook on g2.
Can you say that again, please?
So the black rook on a2
Mm-hmm.
could capture the rook on g2.
So the black rook on h2 is wait h2. Oh no, a2.
The rook on a2.
a2. Yeah, we'll kill the other rook on g2, and then it's the king is gonna kill the rook, and then what's gonna happen?
And then we could we're black. Oh yeah, we're blacks. So
We could kill this bishop with our king.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay, I didn't see the bishop which was white on top.
yeah. So select. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna end the meeting right here, and you guys rejoin because the meeting time is running out.
Okay. And it's almost game time.
Hot Q, hot Q, end meeting for all.